Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a rotation mechanism step by step. First, I'm going to design actually the base part, then add the shaft and finally set up their rotation. Cool. We are going to do this. For first day, I think it's okay if I do something unnatural. Anyway. Yes, and that's a circle for first step. Then select OK. It's I think it's a bit small. Let's hope. And yes, that's better. I think it's better now. Yes. And then use this. Yes. I'm a bit slow, I know, but hope you will be better than me. Or something like this. Yes, it's okay. And for that, use this and not this, man. Yeah, I like that. I think it's okay. Yeah, like this. We can also do that for better. No. There's a problem here. We use this and this and flip offset to meet middle of this object. Yes, I think it's good. Dimension for 60. It's okay. Extruded for a plane. Yes, but it's too much. I think it's too much too. I think it's okay, man. And then this, yes, like that. If we use 15, it's okay, and yeah, that's good enough. That's good enough for today, but I think it's better to. I don't know what I'm doing then, but it's okay now. Yes, I think it's okay. And then I think it's gonna be good. Yes. Also, we can use yeah. And yes, yeah, like that. I think it's good. It's enough for one day. It's actually, I think it's good enough. Thanks you for watching, and I hope you will see the next day. Goodbye.